Today I'm taking a look at this lithium battery portable power supply, something we are going to use this weekend. Actually, we're going camping this weekend, so this is something that is going to be nice to have along to charge our different devices, but you can just see on the box here just the different devices that it can charge. So it can charge your fans, your laptops, your iPads, your phones. There is a port where you can have it actually solar powered, which is nice. So you can use solar power to charge it as well, which is awesome. So that you are able to keep all of your devices and everything that you are using with full battery life to enjoy your weekend. The battery life will depend on how many devices that you have running with the unit. Obviously, the more devices you have, the quicker the battery is going to drain, so make sure that you're just cognizant of that, that you are able to charge multiple devices at a time, but it is going to drain battery faster if you have more devices on it. So let's open it up and see here what we have inside. Get this camera down a little bit, there we go. So we open it up, see we have the directions right here. We have the box in here that comes with the cord to actually charge the device. We charged it tonight. It took a couple hours to fully charge, but once it was charged, it worked very well. So this is the actual device right here. So you can see that there is the power button right there, as well as the light. Let's just take a look at how bright this is. It's even brighter as we continue clicking, and then you got the strobe light there. But different light settings on there is nice to have also. You have 2-prong, you have 3-prong there, and then you have the different slots to use there for USBs, and then a USB-C there as well. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to charge one of the portable fans that we're going to use here. So I'm going to plug it in to the slot. There we go. So I have it plugged in. Cat decided to make an appearance for this one. So now it's plugged into the fan here, and then I turn it on, and you can see the red light is flashing on the fan device. So now it is charging. So just a great way to keep all of your devices charged throughout your camping trip. As you can see, my cat thoroughly enjoys it. She just wanted to get in on the video. But definitely recommend this product to anybody looking for a portable battery charger, just to kind of keep all of your devices nice and charged up for your weekends. So you can make sure to have a fan when you need it, a phone when you need it, laptop when you need it, whatever it may be. This is a great product to keep all those charged. Thanks.